Today I'm going to replace the tie rod ends on my John Deere L130 lawn tractor. As you can see, this one's broke. And what I'm going to have to do is pull down this steering assembly here, the steering gears. And by doing that, you got to take this, I don't know the official name for it, but this plate here that holds all that stuff together, that's got to come down. You got 2 bolts on each side, and then you have to pull this rod out. There's a little clip on the other side here, holds it in. Pull that out of there. Then you got to take pinion gear off, and then you should be able to get it down, and then you could easily access the nuts for these bolts right here and get that taken off. I got the steering gears and everything dropped down. What I should have done first was unhook the tie rods from the spindles. Then I could have just pulled it all out at one time. So I'm going to do that next, and then I'm going to put it up on the bench and hook the tie rods up. Okay, I got it out, the tractor. See, here it is. You probably notice how clean this is. If you've had a tractor that's not been tore apart in a long time, it's not going to be as shiny and black as this. This is all pretty much new because I just replaced the steering gears and everything earlier in the summer, so it hasn't really had time to get dirty. Here's the new tie rod. So you can see the new ones that you buy have a adjustable end on them. So what I try to do, which I see if I can do it one-handed, try to, if not, you'll just have to kind of try to understand what I'm saying. Like right here, I got it up against a flat surface, like right now it's my vise. You try to adjust that out to where you're pretty close to where the original length, which this isn't right now, but the original length of the one that you took off, so you don't have to mess a whole lot with trying to get the alignment straight and everything. But basically you just take these nuts off, which I'll have to do, and then, so I'm doing this one-handed. You take the nuts off, and then put the new ones on after you've adjusted them the best you can by eyeballing it, and then it's all going to go back up underneath. Okay, I got the tie rods and the steering assembly and everything all kind of put back up into place, and what I ended up doing was I started out with the tie rods bottomed out on the bolts, and I just adjusted them out until I got the tires pretty much aligned. I eyeballed it at first, and then I measured between the backs of the wheels and in the front of the wheels and tried to get it as close as I could. There's not a lot of precision. It's like you get one turn or forward or back, you know, and that's what you get. So but I got it pretty well aligned. I'll have to just try it out a couple days and see how it works, but so far so good. It looks like everything went together pretty well.